to my channel. My name is Harshada for those of you who are new here, and today I'm going to film yet another tutorial which is related to skincare. Today's video is going to be all about how to take your makeup off. I've been doing tons of videos of how to apply makeup, and I thought it's high time I do a video to show you guys how I remove my makeup. Now, removing makeup is one of the most important steps of skincare. If you don't remove your makeup properly, the makeup clogs into the pores, leaving it unhealthy, and there are very high chances that your skin breaks out into acne and you have all sorts of skin issues. Please make sure you follow a right method of removing makeup so as to ensure that your skin is radiant and healthy in the long run. My makeup removing routine, so to say, is not very complicated. It is really simple. If you just follow these simple steps, you can also achieve a great skin at the end of removing your makeup, and you would wake up fresh. You won't, feel your skin is droopy and dull. I already have makeup on, and first I'm going to use the Garnier micellar oil infused cleansing water. So this is the product that I'm going to use to remove the makeup, and the reason why I use oil infused cleansing water, you can even use the one without oil. I use the one with oil because my makeup tends to be waterproof sometimes, and the normal micellar water does not help, so I like to use the one with oil infused. So shake it well, take a little bit, and start removing your makeup. I usually like to remove the face first and then the eyes, but you can really follow any procedure, it doesn't matter. Now, when removing the eyes makeup, make sure you leave the pad on your eyes for like 3-4 seconds and then rub it off. And be very gentle, otherwise you will end up making your skin oversensitive. Like, it will start hurting, so just be very careful. Moving forward, I like to scrub my face a little bit. So for which today I'm using this particular product. I know in my last skincare video I said I do not buy scrubbing products, exfoliating products from the market. But the only exfoliating product that I like, that I buy, is actually handmade by one of my Instagrammer friends. And that is the only product that I've ever used to exfoliate. And this company is called Pure Bubble Soapery, I think. I will mention her Instagram handle in the description. This is the old packaging when it was called Pure Suds. So I'm just going to show you. But it's not called Pure Suds now. It's called Pure Bubble Soapery. So she sells these handmade choco and coffee face scrub. So this is homemade, and that is the only reason why I use this. So I would take very little amount, apply it all over my face, apply smaller dots, and very gently in circular motions I would massage it into my skin. After massaging it into the skin for like a couple of minutes, I would clean it off. Usually you can rinse it too, but right now I'm just going to clean it off with a wet towel. Exfoliating would just make sure that every last bit of makeup that was there on your face would be off completely, which is what we want. Now that the pores are open, it is very important that you close your pores before you do anything else, because open pores is invitation to a lot of acne, and you don't want that at all. So usually I use either my Bioderma micellar water. This is a great toner. This will help you seal your pores. Another way to do it if you don't have a toner is just rub a cube of ice all over your face. This will also help to cool down your skin after exfoliation, because sometimes after exfoliation your skin tends to get a little irritable, so rubbing a cube of ice would cool it down and it also seal the pores. And lastly, apply your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer that you're used to. Today I'm using this Flavo-C cream. Now this is a moisturizer, but this is prescribed moisturizer for my skin because I was having a lot of uneven skin tones. So my dermat, she prescribed this to me. So this is not the regular cosmetic moisturizer. This is something you would get at a pharmacy. So that is the one I've been using of late. It's called Flavo-C. Apply a few dots all over your face. And lastly, I would like to use a lip balm to take care of my lips as well. I'm using the Nivea Fruity Shine lip balm. And that's it. That's how simple it is to remove makeup, guys. No matter how late you get home, please don't be lazy. Please take 5 minutes before bed to take care of your skin, to remove all that makeup and dirt off your skin and moisturize it, and then go to sleep. Please do that and your skin is gonna thank you. So that is it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching today's tutorial, and I hope this video helped you and that you will inculcate this particular routine in your daily skincare. If you liked watching today's tutorial, don't forget to share it with your friends, don't forget to like it, comment your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm way more active there. And on that note, I shall take your leave. You take care of yourselves. Bye guys.